welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today we are going to make pumpkin soup. It's healthy, it's delicious, and it's easy. So let's get started. What we need for that, for sure, the pumpkin, onion, cream of coconut, garlic, butter, salt and pepper, and I'm gonna be using some of the ginger, just a little bit of ginger to give it the good taste. Potato, and I'm gonna go get the carrots from my garden. This is the carrots that we are going to use. It's from my garden. Some of them are still small, but we can, I think, get a good amount. This is our carrot after we wash them. Turn the fire on. I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil, about like 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna put the onion, crush it. The color is clear. You don't need it red or pink, you just need it clear. So I'm gonna cut the vegetables. Put the vegetables with the onion first with some water. Let them boil a little bit while I'm cutting the pumpkin. Because the pumpkin, it's a very delicate vegetable. It doesn't take too much to cook. First, I'm gonna peel 3 potatoes. I need 3 carrots, and the rest I will go with it little by little. This is one. Either you put like 2 large potatoes or 3 medium potatoes. I like to peel with the knife. It's faster for me, but you can use the peeler if it's easier for you. Don't forget the onion, just stir it every once in a while. I'm getting all the vegetables ready so I can cut it all together. I'm gonna use just a small piece of the ginger, not too much. I don't want the ginger taste to overcome the other taste. I already pre-washed all my vegetables. Make them like medium size, because anyway you are going to put them in the blender when they are done, so it will be creamy. So you can cut them any way you want. Now I'm gonna put the carrots, the ginger. So I'm mixing the potato, the carrot, the ginger with the onion. Put 2 cups of water, or 3, let's see. I'm gonna let it cook while I'm cutting the pumpkin. It's heavy. I'm gonna be using half of the pumpkin, so just clean this in the middle. The seeds, you can make them, you can boil them and put some salt and put them in the oven, so you'll have bezer. I was going to make this part before, but I want to show you how to make it. It's a little messy, but it's fun. But be careful, it's very hard, don't cut your hand. Just take out all those like slimy inside pumpkin. Now I'm gonna peel the outside. Just make sure Now I'm gonna cut them small pieces and add them to the pot with the vegetables. Doesn't have to be perfect cut because I told you we are going to put them in the blender. But if you see any of the hard part, just take it because this won't be nice with the soup, especially when it's creamy. You just have to wait until the pumpkin is so soft, or actually all the vegetables, because we are going to put them and blend them, so they need to be like so creamy, so well done. There is no time, it depends how strong is or how high is your fire. But when I will show you, when you see the pumpkin, you can mash it so easy, and the vegetables, that means they are ready. About like 10-15 minutes, because the pumpkin won't take too much. I'm not gonna put too much water because the pumpkin, it's gonna get out a lot of water. So be careful with the water. Just at the end, if you see like it's too thick, then you add some water if you want. So here everything is ready. I'm gonna put a piece of butter with it, maybe like 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, small piece. Okay, and I'm gonna cover it and wait. You see the pumpkin? Look, I can mash it like that. I put the carrot long time before I put the pumpkin, and it's still a little hard. So I'm gonna add 1 cup of water because I need the water to cover it. They're still cooking, maybe 5 more minutes. But we need all the vegetables to be like this, to fall apart like that. Let's see the potato. Yeah, the potato you can mash it easily. So we are just waiting for the carrots. Beautiful color. And I'm gonna add the garlic. I like to add it in the end so the garlic taste will stay strong. Oh my God. Smells so good. Now I'm gonna add the salt and the pepper. Put 1 teaspoon salt. Some people they put white pepper, but I'm not that crazy about white pepper, so I use the black pepper instead. But you can use white pepper if you want. Stage, there is 2 kinds of soup. Either you can add a creamy coconut milk, or you can add the heavy cream to it, or you just leave it like that. So my daughter, she doesn't like any of those with it, so I'm gonna make 2 plates. One, just the basic one with no cream, with no coconut cream, and the other one, it's gonna be with cream. So now we are going to blend them. I want them as creamy as I can. You can use this and blend them, but I prefer that in this way you don't have to use the strainer after that to make them smoother. So I'm gonna make the first plate, the one with no cream. Okay. It's creamy, you don't need to do anything else. I have the thick coconut cream, coconut milk. So I'm gonna add 2 spoons. Perfect. So we are done with the soup today. As you see, this is without the cream, this with the cream. They both taste good. You can add more chili, you can add more lemon. So make it to your taste. Can I try them a little bit now to see? This is the one with no cream. so good. And this is the one with the coconut cream. It's good, but it needs a little more lemon for me. I like to squeeze some more lemon with it. And this is it. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you next week. Bye.